Chevy SS. Is it still relevant today?
Today guys, D Creator here, back with another video. In this video I'm gonna be talking about the 2014 Chevy SS. Yes, the 2014 is not extremely old, but they came out with new technology since then. But before we try and see if it's still relevant for 2022, I'm gonna talk about the mods that it has on there. So basically this Chevy SS is stock. Yeah, nothing's done to it besides a muffler delete. So it got a little tone to it. It's not extremely loud, just a little tone. I don't know if you can hear it. So yeah, it's pretty quiet in here. It rides nice. It almost feels like it should be a newer vehicle, but you start looking at the gauges and realize that some of the stuff in here is kind of outdated, but it's not too much outdated. Now, I'm unaware of the horsepower and the torque specs, but I will put it up on the screen for 2014. I never drove a SS before. The closest car I drove to a Chevy SS is actually a Camaro SS. I almost feel like I'm in a Camaro, but I'm not, because it got 4 doors in it. It's nice to have the room, because in a Camaro, I can't fit in a Camaro. I keep hitting my head on the roof because of how small the Camaro is. This is nice, like really nice. I feel like whenever I drive something like this, it's a very, very toned down vehicle. Kind of like driving a Honda Civic. Well,
What?
I take that back. That sounds very bad. It feels like I'm just driving a normal car, but it's far from it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this definitely have some pull to it. Okay. Oh, man. My voice cracked when I did that. This sounds so good. I didn't think that a muffler delete on here would sound that good. It sounds like a vet in a way. I know it's the same engine, but it really does sound like a vet in a way. Yeah, I really like this. I can see myself driving one of these every day. Even though I'm a Mustang guy, I can see myself driving one of these. Man. So is the Chevy SS still relevant in 2022? Yes. Yes, it is. I would say so. This is still a fun vehicle. This sun is like killing me. I say this is a very fun vehicle. You can have your whole family in it. You can have, you know, groceries and stuff like that. It's kind of like a CTSV in a way. Yeah, that's probably the perfect example for this vehicle, is being a CTSV without the supercharger, of course. Unless you know exactly what it is, most people won't even blink an eye at you. to be honest, most people might think you're a Malibu. Sorry, it does kind of look like a Malibu.
Please check out the video of me driving Jonathan Harder's C6 Corvette. That thing was fast. Please like and comment, subscribe, and check down in the link below. We do have merchandise for sale. Merch is down below on Teespring. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, all right?